Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Mamata and I'll be your Korean trainer for today. So in the last class, we learned about Changso or places. Today we are going to do shopping or shopping and learn the Sino-Korean number system. Starting with Ohi, our first Ohi for today is Sagwa. Sagwa is an apple. O-A-W-A, Sagwa. Next word we have orangey. Orangey, much like the fruit that we call in English orange, orangey is the fruit orange. Next we have pang. Pang is bread. We move on to juice. Very similar to the English word juice, juice is juice. Then we have uyu. Uyu is milk, uyu. Then we have sonnim and chomwon. A customer is called sonnim. A shopkeeper is called chomwon. U or wa, chomwon. Sonnim and chomwon. Customer and a shopkeeper. Then we have 얼마예요? 얼마예요 is the expression which means how much is it? You're asking about the price. How much is it for? 얼마예요? Then we have 싸다. Now that is 다 at the ending, so we know that it's a verb or an adjective. In this case, it's an adjective. 싸다, to be cheap. 사과는 싸요, to be cheap. We have done 아요, 어요, 해요, so 싸다 will become 싸요. So 사과는 싸요. The apple is cheap. We move on to 싸다. 싸다 is to buy something or to purchase something. Now you will notice that 싸다 and 싸다 are very similar and both are used for buying and selling stuff. So we need to be a little careful with the pronunciation and the spelling for the both. 싸다 and 싸다. 싸다 to buy, to purchase. 싸다 to be cheap. Moving on, we go to 주다. 주다 is to give something. Again, a verb. 주다. We move on to our hanja or su. Hanja also are the Sino-Korean numbers which are derived from the Chinese numbers. Yes, hanja or su or Sino-Korean numbers. First number is il. Il. E. E. Tam. Tam. Sa. Sa. O. O. Yug. Yug. 칠, 칠, 팔, 팔, 구, 구, 십, 십. Yes, we reached till ship, which is 10. Now I want an 11. The ship is 10. I want to add 1 to it. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 would be shibir. Ship, 10, ir, 1. So 11 would be shibir. Similarly, shibi, shibsam, we go till shibku, right? 19, shibku. Now I want 20, right? 2, 10, 2 times 10 is 20. So I have shib, which is 10. So we have e shib, 2, 10, e shib. Yes, 2 times 10. And now that I have 20, I can similarly add 1, 2, 3, 4 to 20. So ishib ir, ishib e, ishib sam, and we go till ishib ku. 29. Yes, now I need a 30. Similarly, 3 times 10, 3 is sam, shib is 10. So I get samshib. Samshib would be 30. Samshib ir, samshib e, samshib sam, and samshib ku, reaching till 39. And now I want a 40. 4 times 10, sa is 40, shib is 10. So for 10 I'll get 40 sashib. Similarly, sashib ir, sashib sam, sashib e, sashib ku, right? 49 sashib ku, and we go on till kushib ku. Kushib ku. Ku is 9. 9 tens plus 9. So this would be 99. I need 100. So 100 is 100, right? Shib is 10, 100 is 100, ton is 1000, man is 10,000. And all of these behave in the same manner. Let's see a few examples for 100 now. I have 100. Now I want 112. 100 is 100. I get a 100. Then I want a 12. 12 shib e, 10 plus 2. So 100 shib e would be 112. Right? So always we'll start with the largest number. Yes, we start by saying the largest number and we move on to the smallest one by one. Okay. Now 203. I need 2 hundreds. 100 is 100. E is 2. So 200. E 100. And then I need a 3 at the end. So sum. E 100 sum would be 203. 709. 7 times 100. Right? So till back. Till is 7. 100 is 100. Till back 700. And khu at the end for 9. Okay, till back khu, that would be 709. Let's see a few for thousands. 1115. Starting with chon. Chon is 1000 and I have 1000. Yes, here please remember, don't put il chon. Yeah, it's 1000 is already chon. So you don't need to add il to it. We always start with 2, e, right? So it's not il chon, it's just chon. Okay, I have chon. Now I have 100. Yes, again here, don't make it il bek. This is just pek. 100 is pek. So, chon, pek. Then I want 15. Shibo. O is 5. Shib is 10. So, chon, bek, shibo. 1115. Let's see the next one. 9386. 9000. 9 times 1000. 9 is gu. Gu chon. Yes, 1000 is chon. Gu chon. Then I want a 300. 3 times 100. Sambek. Sam is 3. Pek 100. Sambek. Pal shim nuke. Palship 80. 8 times 10. 80. Palship and then nuke at the end. 6. So this becomes Khuchan Sambek Palshim nuke. Okay. Moving on to man or 10,000. Similarly for man, if I have 12,000, right? I already have 1, right? It's 10,000. Man is 10,000. So you don't need to put il man. Man is already 10,000 it by itself. Okay. So I have 12,009. So man, I put the 10,000. Firstly, I'll start with the largest one, 10,000. Man. Then I have 2,000. Yes, 12,000. So 10,000 I have plus 2,000. So e ton and lastly gu for 9. This becomes man e ton gu. Okay. Now 50,742. I need 5 10,000s to get a 50,000. Right? So I have O man 10,000. O man 5 10,000s. Till pek 700. Sashib 42. Sashib e. Right? So from the largest we move on to the smallest. O man till pek sashib e. 50,742. Okay. So that's it for Shino-Korean numbers. We'll move on to Moonbob. And the Moonbob for today is Useo. Now, Useo is used after verbs to make a polite request or an order. And this is always in an informal manner. In an informal tone. Right? So it's not used in very formal occasions like an interview or maybe when you're presenting, you're giving a presentation. Not used in those cases. In informal situations, especially if you're talking with a stranger. Right? Maybe when you're talking to your shopkeeper or to your customer. In those cases, you can use Useo grammar. Let's see. Now, seo is added to words ending with a vowel. Right? Words ending with a vowel. 받침 없어요? No 받침? And useo is added to words ending with a consonant. Therefore, 받침 있어요, where there is a final consonant. This is very synonymous with please do something. Please do this verb. Please, can you do this? Please do this. Giving an order or a request in a polite manner but informal tone. Okay, let's see a few examples. I have 주다, to give, ending with vowel, 받침 없어요. So, 주 plus 세요, I get 주세요, please give. Right? Now, 먹다 is to eat. 먹다 ending with a consonant. 받침 있어요. 먹다, I'll add 으세요. So, this becomes 먹으세요. Please eat. Let's see a few sentences. 사과를 사세요. Yes, 사다 is to buy. We just did. 사과를 사세요. Please buy the apples. Right? 사과를 먹으세요. Please eat the apples. Let's see a conversation. Now, 손님 is asking, 오렌지가 있어요. Do you have oranges? 오렌지가 있어요? 네, 있어요. 얼마예요? Asking for the price. 얼마예요? What is the oranges prices? What is the price of the oranges? 2,000원이에요. Now we know 2,000 is 2,000. 1 is the Korean currency. Yeah, and because this is a noun, I'll add yeo. It is am are. So it is 2001. 오렌지를 주세요. 에요. Please give me the oranges. Okay. So today we learned the polite useo grammar and the Sino-Korean numbers. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.